Robinhood.com is one of the best trading accounts you should start with. Robinhood.com has zero fees, is simple to use, and grants you access to trading funds as soon as you request for your money to be transferred from your bank account or another trading account. There are other companies that have a similar structure, but Robinhood.com has worked well for me and would highly suggest you use them. Besides that, you can get free stocks by referring other people to them who open an account and link their bank account. You and your friends don't have to send any money, but as long as you link your bank account, you'll receive a free stock. If you use this link, you and I will get a free stock. Join.robinhood.com/JosephC10970. Getting a free stock from Robinhood.com. How it works. When you use my link, you'll receive a free stock. You'll see on your dashboard that you have free stock to claim that will be chosen at random by Robinhood Financial. Since it's at random, you don't know what you'll get, but it's still free, and if you refer enough people, your chances of getting a great stock will increase. After receiving your free stock, you can sell it after 30 days and have that money transferred into your bank account. If you keep that stock and it pays dividends, you can simply keep receiving dividends for as long as you own the stock, which becomes a form of passive income. And this is how the Robinhood website appears. You can see that it says there that investing is for everyone, and then down below that it says break free from commission fees. Make unlimited commission-free trades in stocks, ETFs, and options with Robinhood Financial, as well as buy and sell cryptocurrencies and Robinhood Crypto. Getting access to trading options on Robinhood.com. By opening a trading account with Robinhood.com, you won't automatically be granted permission to trade options. You'll need to click on the stock you want and then click on Trade in the bottom right corner. You'll see Trade Options, which you will need to click on to get started. You'll be required to have stock trading experience to trade options, which is important to know before getting started. You'll be asked if you have experience trading stocks, but you won't be required to show proof. You can always buy one share of stock and will then have stock trading experience. If you don't have stock trading experience, you can always try another website like Webull.com to see if they have these requirements or not.